Hello again, YouTube. So today I've gotten a new and also big box set today. These are recordings by a British prog band, Rarebird. And of course it's titled Beautiful Scarlet, The Recordings 1969 to 1975. This has their 5 albums from the late 60s to mid 70s, which includes Rarebird, As Your Mind Flies By, Epic Forest, Somebody's Watching, Born Again, and also a 6th CD that has a live recording, live at the Theatre Royal, Drury Lane, London, 30th of June 1974, previously unreleased. I've actually heard some of their stuff before, specifically one track from their first album, Rarebird, Sympathy, and also the title track from Epic Forest. Now this box set has of course, the albums and booklet, and 3 of them are like this one here. Here, gatefold, MLP covers. Some are more single covers, but still considered as a mini LP. And it also has this really interesting little poster in it. So let me unfold it. Of a print of a painting from the 19th century, I believe. That I don't know if you can see it clearly like this, but this was a painting done by an artist in the 19th century who went mad, pretty much. I can't remember the said artist's name, but he specialized in fairy paintings like this. I'll probably get it closer. So, yeah. So I know who the artist in question is, but I can't remember his name. So, there's that. And that'll be it for this video. I'll be leaving a link to my last one, and also the links to my first 3 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to all at YouTube, have a good evening.